Okay guys, let's see what's gonna pop up today. I hope so everyone is super excited. Yeah, it's a heritage day, it's a heritage month, and it's a heritage day. You see, I got no watch on my hand. Yeah, the watch is totally broken. Its belt is dead. It's fine, it's fine. I'll find another one maybe, but I don't know when. I'll keep updating you. Let's see what's gonna pop up today. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll be showing you different people's different heritage clothes, because there is a different heritage clothes. It's not like everyone wearing the same heritage clothes like this. You understand? This is a different tribe. As you know, here in South Africa they have more than 8 tribes. So every tribe have their own heritage clothes, you know. And I thought maybe this day it would be much busier than the day before the ceremony. But this is what happened. I didn't expect this. So I was been trying to spot at least people who wear the heritage clothes, you know. Yeah, like this lady with her daughter. So nice. And look another this lady. Yeah, that means they have different tribes. That's why even the way they dressed is different to represent their tribes. Like there is a Zulu, there is a Xhosa, there is a Tswana. I don't know how they pronounce it. You see, like this one, yeah. So if I could be in my home country, you see, like this one. This lady, I don't know which kind of tribe is this. Yeah, there is Swati. Yeah, I just hear the way they say, but I myself, I don't really know all tribes, you know, especially these clues. But I know there is a Peri, there is a yeah, other tribe clues. Yeah, I'm always forgetting. You see, like this are Zulu. You see, Zulu or Tswana. You see. So guys, this is how we are going to see. And if you know these tribes, just let us know, guys. Let us know. Look, this lady, which kind of tribe is this? I think it's a Peri. Yeah, it's a Peri. It's from Limpopo. This lady, I think so. It's maybe, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is just a normal dress. I'm not sure if it represents any kind of tribes, you know. So let's watch guys, enjoy. And if you're a new one to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Support your village boy traveling for life. Yeah, we do traveling videos. Let's enjoy guys watching. Yeah, I thought maybe to, you see guys, I was trying to hunt. didn't expect this, but this is what happened, you know. So I thought maybe it would be like everywhere, but they went somewhere to celebrate, yeah, as a governmental ceremony, you know. I thought maybe it would be around the streets, like the place where we from. When it is holiday. I mean, it is a ceremony, country's ceremony, like the celebration for everyone. You will see, like everyone is celebrating, every corner you go, you know. So here it's a bit different. They went somewhere called somewhere at the Union Building. I got some invitation, but unfortunately I was a bit busy with some stuff, you know. So I didn't go there. But anyway, that is what I wanted to show. I hope so you have seen some of people. I mean, some of them, most of people, they wear like what I expected, like they wear such clothes and heritage nyana, you know. So it's like that. Let me say thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's see what's gonna pop up to the next video. This is Wegem DC. Give it a thumbs up and share to others if it's okay. Do me a favor for that way. Thank you. See you next time.